$5,000 worth of line of credit that you can get very easily. This is a very easy approval procedure for this line of credit, and there is no hard pull, means there is going to be no impact to your credit score. It's a very easy line of credit, and we are going to give you complete details about this very important line of credit. And remember that we are going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $10,000 credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon so you can watch that video when we upload it. And please smash that like button, as it really helps the channel and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. So without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So here is the opportunity right in front of you, and this time is from Glance. Yes, banking built for borrowers. Remember, if you need money right now, then payday loans are a bad decision, while Glance is really important service that you can use. Glance is excited to launch the next generation of online banking built around daily needs of borrowers. Customer can borrow from a line of credit instead of relying on payday loans. Yes, because they are bulky, they have a lot of interest, there's a lot of steps that you need to follow, and yes, there's a lot of hassle in it. And you can build credit using the Grants MasterCard as well. You can get the MasterCard when you get the line of credit with that. Remember that this is indeed one of the biggest opportunity of current time. You can get free fee checking account. Your account is FDIC insured of $250,000. True revolving line of credit means a revolving line of credit lets you borrow up to your limit and borrow more as you repay. Means you don't have to use all of it. For example, you have $5,000 worth of it, you can use $1,000 worth of it and leave $4,000 because you're not gonna use it, and pay it off. Well, of course, this is indeed a very big opportunity. MasterCard, indeed, they're gonna give you a MasterCard as well. You can use that card to use the line of credit, and of course, it is indeed a very big opportunity. You can build and increase your credit. It helps you to increase your credit score as well, as they report to credit bureaus as well. Remember, you can money transfer, transaction history, you can see that, and there's account. You can check your account and export your status, and they have a very amazing app and online platform as well. They say all the features of a traditional bank, just more delightful. Remember, this is indeed a very big opportunity. There's the Apple Pay. You can add your Glance credit card to your Apple wallet in a single click. There's push notifications, there's biometric login, and you can manage your account online as well. Remember, it's a very good opportunity for those who drive Uber, Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Grubhub and other things. Of course, they can link themselves to your account, and they can see that how much you're getting money from those gigs, and then they'll give you the credit line or line of credit according to your situation. And this is indeed a very big opportunity because there is no hard credit check at all. So thank you so much for all of your love and support. The link is in video's description. You can click on it, create an account, and then you can apply for this line of credit. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.